sitting on us and causing just torrential downpours, but we do have, you say, the potential for maybe severe weather.
The potential, but it's not going to look anything like that, Casey.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, we could see a couple of stronger storms with some gusty winds. I mean, but that happens in East Texas. It's a very conditional wind threat for us. Now, in the meantime, we've seen very warm temperatures for the month of January. I mean, we hit 80 in Longview today. That was your record high temperature, and that was forecast as this is observed high officially, and that broke the old record of 77 set back in 1999. Let's talk about the rest of the high temperatures. Henderson tends to be warmer than a lot of the outlying locations around Henderson. You guys hit 81. It was 76 in Lufkin. Crockett hit 75. It was 77 in Athens. We were at 78 for both Mineola and Tyler. Right now in Longview, the record-breaking city of the day, temperatures have come down just a little bit. We're now down to 65 degrees. Winds are southeast at about 5 miles per hour. Remainder of our cities here are in the middle to upper 60s, so it's going to be a very warm and humid night with at least some southerly winds bringing in some more Gulf moisture into our area. And overnight tonight, we're only down to a low of about 63 degrees. This 30% chance of rain we have in the forecast occurs around daybreak and early tomorrow morning for our western counties. And we'll continue to see those showers and storms through at least noontime, but then it clears out. Could even see plenty of sunshine by 5 o'clock with just a few passing clouds out to our east. There's the front that's going to trigger all of this, and this will actually bring in cooler temperatures for both Thursday and Friday. It's just a waiting game now for when it arrives as we head into tomorrow morning. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go through Futurecast here. We'll start this at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Note the showers we have in the area. They become a little more robust and noticeable by about 9 o'clock in the morning for our central and western counties. We begin to see a little line of storms form by 10 and 11 o'clock. Note how they're becoming stronger. That's because our temperatures are increasing. That increases the instability, and with the moisture and the lift from the front that we already have in place, those storms should get stronger as the front pushes to the east. So if we're going to have a threat of severe weather, the most likely locations will be in front of this front from Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Marshall, pointing off to the east and to the southeast near Sabine County and Toledo Bend Lake there. By noontime, most of this is beginning to push off into Louisiana, but we're not quite out of the woods yet. We will be by 2 o'clock once the front moves out of here, and we see clearer and drier conditions moving in by late tomorrow afternoon. Here is the storm timeline. It is early tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock in the morning to about 9 o'clock in the morning for this yellow shaded region right here. That includes places like Palestine, Athens, Mineola, Tyler, and Gilmer. Now a little further off to the east, it's between 8 and 11. That's the main threat of storms there, and then it's between 10 and 2 for our far southeastern counties. Again, our far southeastern counties, as I just mentioned, the storm timeline for you guys is between 10 and 2, and the primary threats here will be wind gust and a very, very, very low tornado threat. And again, that's all to our south and to our east. Tyler, Longview, the tornado threat is close to 0. We do have a conditional wind threat, though, for 60-mile-per-hour winds, but folks, it's a 5% chance that it happens, a little higher for our far southeastern counties. Now, here are the next 7 days. I do think most of us will see some rain tomorrow. It's probably not going to amount out to very much, likely less than 1/4 of an inch for Tyler, Longview, Jacksonville. We'll be in the 60s Thursday and Friday. Showers possible Saturday with cooler temperatures both Saturday and Sunday afternoon. We'll hit 63 Monday with a couple more showers Tuesday. And then as we look at deep East Texas, there's your severe storm chance for tomorrow. Once the storms move out by tomorrow afternoon, we're smooth sailing through Friday. Casey?
All right.